Good evening, classmate. Today, let's see the advice that you can or not can when do you go to the museum. Yes, the first, you can't eat or smoke or drink. No drinking, no smoke, no eat. Okay. Obviously, you can't. You cannot touch the art. Touch the words of the art. Okay. It's obviously you can't don't run in the classrooms or the corridors, yes, of the museum. You cannot enter a large bag. Only your bag is small, very small. You can't take photographies or videos with flash, especially with flash. Depend of the museum. There are any museum when do you take photographs, but never flash, never flash. You can't go to the museum with animals, anything animals. When do you go to the museum, you can keep the distance between the word art and you. Yes, you should have the distance. You can have the distance. You can watch alone as you want any item. You can watch anytime. It's in the museum. You can talk with low voice. Yes, don't cry. In the museum, if you need, you can request a guide for now the word art. In the museum, you can go back to look the art when how times do you want. And finally, in the museum, you can request information about any item displayed. Yes, you can give or if you need information, you can look for information with other persons. Remember, talk with slow voice. This is all, students. I think that this video do you use for other words. Thank you. Good night.